we will explore Z-sketching, a creative modeling technique that leverages the Z-spheres system. We will start by creating a Z-sphere skeleton and then overlay it with Z-sketch spheres for further additional refinement. Here's an example. First, create a base with Z-spheres. Then activate ZSketch. The ZSketch palette can be conveniently found as a sub-palette within the tool menu. Let's enable ZSketch editing and get started right away. As we can see, the ZSketch spheres are perfectly aligned with the Z-sphere model. This method enables more detailed work, such as indicating muscles, which would not be possible with the Z-sphere technique. Holding down the Shift key allows us to easily smooth out the ZSketch spheres. Once we have finished detailing, we then go to the UniFi Skin palette and click on Preview. And that's how we create a new mesh using the ZSketch, similar to the Z-spheres method discussed in the previous video. The keyboard shortcut to access the preview is the A key. Here, we can adjust the mesh resolution and further refine it by using the smoothness slider to achieve a smoother result. Next, we click on Make Unified Skin, which adds a new tool at the top with the prefix skin. We can save this progress and continue with our work as usual. In the next video, we will explore the process of cutting a 3D object in ZBrush.